Hey loves, in today's video I'm going to be doing a wash day routine with the NaturAll Club's Avocado Line. Thank you NaturAll Club for partnering up with me to make this video. Just a quick disclaimer, I have hair paint wax in my hair, so don't be alarmed when it starts to bleed. I'm going in with some warm water just to open up the hair cuticles, and then I'm going to go in with the dry hair solution. This deep conditioner is available in 3 different solutions. It is the dry hair solution, the damaged hair solution, and the dull hair solution. If you're not sure which one is right for your hair, take their quiz on their website and it will tell you everything you need to know and help you pick out your deep conditioner accordingly. So y'all already know I love NaturAll Club's deep conditioners. They're super moisturizing and they really just help my tangles to melt away. Their deep conditioners are literally one of my top 5 favorite deep conditioners to use. I've used the dry hair solution and the damaged hair solution. I love them both. Y'all should really give them a try. Their deep conditioners retail for $9.50. As you can see, I'm just applying the product, finger detangling, and then I'm going to twist the section away. And then I'm going to put my hair in a plastic bag to generate some natural heat because I didn't feel like setting up my steamer. So now I'm in the shower. I'm just removing the plastic bag and I'm going to start rinsing the deep conditioner out of my hair, which left my hair super soft to touch. And as you can see, the hair paint wax is coming right out, which isn't a real issue. It really comes off with just water. So I'm making sure to thoroughly rinse out the deep conditioner before going in with the shampoo and the conditioner. And as you can see here, the conditioner bottle is bigger than the shampoo bottle, which I appreciate. So I'm going in with the shampoo and this is the consistency of it. The shampoo is very thick and I actually found it hard to really spread over my hair. So as you can see, I'm struggling just to really get it everywhere. The lather is rich, but it's very hard to spread over my scalp. So you're going to see me reaching for the shampoo bottle a ton of times because I was just having such a difficult time. So I gave up on the twist. I took them out and then pinned one half of my head away and decided to try to spread the shampoo like this. So a little bit about the shampoo. All these products are sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. The shampoo is moisturizing and it left my hair defined. It promises not to strip away your natural moisture, which I can definitely say it held that promise up. Probably the most defined I've seen my hair with an actual shampoo. I didn't like the fact that I had to use a lot in order for my hair to feel clean. I went through this line a second time just to make sure, I was sure about the way I was feeling. And y'all, I'm gonna be honest, this shampoo is not my favorite. So if you have an issue with shampoo stripping your hair of its moisture, I definitely recommend this shampoo. It didn't do that at all. As you can see, my hair still looks very moisturized. My curls are extremely defined and popping, and yeah, like my scalp did feel clean, but I just didn't like the fact that I had to use a whole bunch in order to get that feeling. This shampoo also retails for $17, and for the way it made my hair feel, personally, I would not spend $17 on it. But like I said, if you have an issue where shampoos really strip your hair, I definitely recommend this because as much shampoo as I used, my hair did not feel stripped at all. So I'm just sectioning off my hair and I'm going in with the hydrating avocado conditioner. As you can see, this consistency is very thick. And then I'm going in and I'm working that into my hair. I'm going to be honest, I didn't really like this conditioner at first. It really didn't provide the best slip to detangle, and I regret not using this as my pre-poo and then deep conditioning after shampooing because I really needed that slip that the deep conditioner provided, and it just wasn't there for this conditioner. This conditioner retails for $22, and to me personally, it's not worth that much. It didn't work for my hair. I know for other people it worked really well, but my hair just wasn't soaking it up as much as I wanted it to. Maybe if I had let it sit in my hair some more, my thoughts would be different. When I used it the second time around, I used it as the pre-poo and it definitely went a lot smoother that way. So using the conditioner then the shampoo and deep conditioning worked a lot better for my hair as opposed to trying to fully detangle with this conditioner. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take my shower. I will say that when I was washing the conditioner out of my hair, I noticed how soft it really was. and I was like, okay, so this deep conditioner is not all that bad. So I decided to take my twist out just to show you guys how my hair actually looks. Now my hair is very soft and moisturized, and it's still defined, and I liked the results. It just took me a lot of work to get them. So now I'm just going to section off the back to begin to do a wash and go, and I'm spraying my hair with some water. And I'm going to go in with the Nourishing Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. The consistency of this was thick and creamy. It retails for $15, and I'm going to have to be honest with you guys. I'm going to have to use it some more in order to know whether or not I love it. But for now, I do like it. Now I'm going in with the Medium Hold Avocado Curl Custard. The consistency and the look of it reminded me of the Kinky Curling Custard. The consistency of this one was actually more watery, but as you can see, my hair really does like it. I could tell by how defined it looks. My hair really was soaking this product in particular up. I just wasn't sure if it was going to hold, because the hold felt more like a light hold than a medium. This retails for $19, and I really like the smell of this one. They all smell the same, but the scent on this one was the strongest. I noticed that my hair was not exactly defined with this once I let it sit some more, but I continued just to make sure I was sure about that. And then I decided that this just was not working. So this wasn't a problem. Like literally on the product, it says that you can add more products as needed. You don't have to just use this as a gel. You can apply gel on top of this if you find that this is not holding your hair. You'll see that my hair actually looked like it had a chance of holding up once I did that. I decided to go in with the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. I forgot that this does not give my hair the strongest hold, so it worked kind of sorta. So I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looked like when I went in with a gel that my hair actually liked. Like my hair still came out kind of frizzy. The gel I used, I'm actually going to be doing a review on it, so stay tuned for that. But I will say I really love this curl custard, you guys. Not because of the hold that it gave me, but because my hair really soaked this up and felt moisturized. So if wash and goes really dry your hair out, this curl custard is the way to go. It adds a layer of moisture because the second ingredient in this is glycerin. And glycerin is extremely moisturizing to natural hair. I would recommend using this right in between your leave-in and your gel just to add a layer of moisture. So this is what my hair looked like when I was done applying the products. It did shrink up quite a bit when it dried and wasn't as defined in the crown area, but I had to get my wisdom teeth extracted, so I couldn't come back and show you guys. So in the next clip, I will show you what it looked like when I redid it with a better gel.
Hey loves, so I am back. This is after trying the line for a second time, you know, excluding the deep conditioner because I didn't have time to order some more. And this is what my hair is looking like. I do want to make a quick disclaimer. Now, my hair has been acting a little funny since the last time I blow dried it. I think I need to do another treatment. I do have to get my ends clipped, so that does affect my wash and go results. I also stretch the roots out, which does affect the definition that I do have. It does get rid of some of it, but as y'all can see, it is still quite defined. Okay, the final product that I didn't show you guys yet is the Pure Avocado Oil. So this is supposed to be rubbed into your scalp and to your ends. So I'm just gonna put it on my scalp, to be quite honest with you guys. Okay, so it might have been a little helpful if I took the stopper out, because I'm pretty sure I didn't take that out. Yep, the seal is definitely still in here. So I will say I do like this oil already. It is nice and lightweight. Overall, I do like the line. The line was an okay line. I'm gonna have to use the product a lot more in order to know for sure whether I really like it or not. Using the shampoo the second time around, I liked it a lot more than the first time around. If I had to choose one product out of this line besides the deep conditioner that I really liked, it would have to be the curling custard. It was really moisturizing to my hair, and it is pricey, but a little bit goes a long way with this. I've used it twice and it's still right up here, so It's definitely worth the $19. It's an investment, but the product lasts you a while, so it's not really gonna hurt your pockets as much as you think it will. Definitely will continue to use this for my wash and goes just to make sure they're extra moisturized. If you're someone who likes wash and goes a lot, definitely invest in this to moisturize your hair, just to make sure your hair is protected underneath all of that gel. Enough talking about my thoughts on the line. Let's finally get into the giveaway details. If you watched this video full out, power to you, because this was a longer video. So NaturAll Club is sponsoring a giveaway for these products. You are going to be getting a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioner, a leave-in, a curling custard, and avocado oil. So that's 6 products for free. In total, this line is worth $90.50. It's on sale for $77 right now. So to enter this giveaway, it is fairly simple. All you need to do is 3 simple steps. First, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I will be checking, so please don't lie, you feel me? And like this video. I also need you guys to enter your names into the Google Doc that will be in my description box down below. This way we can keep track of everyone who is entering the giveaway, and the winner will be chosen from there. If you don't enter your name in the Google Doc, I will not know you're entering the giveaway, and the winner will be announced 2 weeks from today. So make sure you enter, guys. Good luck to everyone who enters the giveaway. If you don't enter the giveaway, or you don't win the giveaway and you still want to choose some of these products, make sure you check out the website below and use my discount code NaturAllK for a percentage off of your purchase. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.